Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best vacuum for stairs you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. While most people enjoy staying on top of their cleaning schedule, there will still be some areas in their homes that they will always dread cleaning. Particularly tempting is skipping over the staircase. Since stairs are often heavily used, they can get dirty very easily, especially if you have pets. Therefore, you need a vacuum that works well on stairs. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Miele Complete C3 Alize Power Line. The Miele Complete C3 Alize Power Line is the greatest canister vacuum we've tested. This model performs well on a variety of surfaces, including bare floors and high pile carpets. It's corded and has a large dirt bin, so you can tackle large areas without constantly emptying it. It contains a HEPA filter that traps allergens and 7 different suction power levels, so you can tailor it to whatever surface you're cleaning. There are various extras provided, such as an extension wand to extend your reach and a crevice tool to go into tight spaces. You may use any of its tools and brushes in a semi-handheld mode, which is useful while cleaning areas like stairs. It's well made, and the handle features LED lights to assist you see shadowy places. Unfortunately, the vacuum's hose is somewhat short, restricting your reach when using it in its semi-handheld mode. It also has high recurrent expenditures because its dirt bag and filters must be replaced on a regular basis. If you don't mind the bulkier canister style, it's one of the best vacuums we've tried and a terrific pick for stairs. On number 4, HoLife HM036E. The HoLife HM036E is the best cheap stair vacuum we've ever tested. This cordless handheld vacuum cleaner provides excellent overall performance for the price, cleaning surfaces such as hardwood and linoleum and clearing a significant quantity of material from both low and high pile carpet. You can effortlessly carry it up and down flights of stairs because to its lightweight build and inbuilt carrying handle. It's well made and somewhat simple to maintain, with a simple design that makes it simple to access the few parts that need to be serviced on a regular basis. Because only its filters are disposable, it has negligible recurrent costs. It has a liquid nozzle to clean up wet messes, however we didn't try it, and it needs to be cleaned well after that kind of use. Its battery life of 20 minutes or more is excellent for a handheld, allowing you to clean larger spills without running out of juice halfway through. Unfortunately, it has trouble cleaning coarse or fine material, such as sand or baking soda, especially on carpeted floors. It also contains a small dirt chamber that needs to be emptied on a regular basis, despite the fact that it's on the large side for a handheld. Overall, if you're looking for a versatile handheld vacuum that you can easily maneuver for spot cleaning on stairs, it's an excellent budget-friendly alternative. On number 3, Dyson V11 Torque Drive Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. When it comes to vacuum cleaners, Dysons are frequently regarded as the gold standard, and this cordless V11 model is the brand's most powerful yet. Based on its 6,500 plus 5-star ratings, customers are definitely convinced that it is worth the hype. The cordless vacuum comes with a variety of attachments, including a tiny motorized head and a crevice tool for cleaning hard-to-reach places. It's light enough to be carried up and down many flights of stairs without difficulty. It also adjusts its suction intensity, eco, auto, or boost, based on floor type, so you can travel from the kitchen to the bedrooms on the second level without missing a beat. It's also worth mentioning the vacuum's battery. It can last up to 60 minutes on a single charge, and the LCD panel lets you see how much juice is remaining. A customer stated, "The V11 has just enough runtime to vacuum my entire house, 3,500 square feet. I no longer have to move furniture about to vacuum the stairs, and I don't have to move furniture around to get into small spots like between couches." On number 2, Black+Decker Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum. Black+Decker offers some of the best-selling handheld vacuums on Amazon, but this vacuum is the greatest on stairs for 2 reasons. It has twice the suction power of previous models from the company and includes a motorized brush that is especially useful on carpeted stairs. According to customers, the cordless handheld vacuum is also fantastic for cleaning couches and vehicles. In addition, the design has a translucent dust container that lets you know when it's time to empty it. The bowl and filter, like other vacuums, will need to be cleaned on a regular basis, although both are hand washable. One shopper said, "You'll be astonished to see how much stuff this contraption will pile up against the filter." Another person added, "This vacuum is fantastic for quick pickups on the stairs and in corners where hair gathers because we have hairy dogs. It's fantastic." On number 1, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Lithium-Ion Cordless Hand Vacuum. Fur is often a constant companion in a pet owner's home. Pet owners can choose from a wide range of Bissell vacuum cleaners that were created with their needs in mind. Besides a motorized brush to clean the surface of stairs, an upholstery tool gentle enough for furniture, and a crevice tool for cleaning small spaces, the Pet Hair Eraser Handheld Vacuum comes with a number of helpful accessories. There have been no reports of the battery dying while vacuuming stairs, despite the only 17-minute runtime. The easy-to-clean, large dust container is another great feature because pet hair accumulates quickly. "My carpeted stairs get filthy because I have 2 cats and a dog," wrote one customer. Seriously, this vacuum is incredibly light, and the different attachments are great for cleaning corners and gaps, beneath radiators, carpeted stairs, and the couch. The first time I used it, I felt like a kid at Christmas, and I couldn't be happier. This is the cleanest my house has been in a long time. So guys, this was the video about the best vacuum for stairs. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.